Now let's see superscript and subscript in MS Word. Go to search and type word. Here you can see the word is opening. Now I have opened blank presentation. Now I will type something like H2O. In this formula, 2 should come down. But how? Yes, we have two options in font group in Home tab called Subscript and Superscript. Now, subscript means a very small letters below the baseline, and superscript means a very small letters above the baseline. So, I want this 2 to come down. So, I will select subscript. Here you can see. Now, I want 9 square is equal to 81. But this 2 should go up. But how? Now, we should use superscript, which will make the 2 go up. Now, let's take another example. H2SO4. In this formula, 2 and 4 should come down. If subscript and superscript are not available in Home tab in Font group, click on this icon and you will see a page like this. Before that, select 2 and click on that icon. Select subscript and OK. The 2 went down. Now 4, go to that icon. You can see the page. Subscript, OK. Now let's see another example of superscript. Centimeter square. Now these 2 should go up to the baseline. So select superscript. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If you find this helpful, do like, share, comment, and for all the more updates on all the learning needs, subscribe our channel Smiley Kids and click on the bell icon for more updates.